Have you ever been so stressed you could feel your blood pressure rising? Imagine that feeling mixed with the knowledge that inside your body, something tiny but potentially deadly could be forming. No, I'm not talking about your will to go to the gym. I'm talking about blood clots. These microscopic troublemakers can sneak into your heart, brain, or lungs and cause serious health problems like heart attacks, strokes, or worse. But what if I told you there's a natural way to fight back, a shield against Clot City? And no, it's not about giving up cheese, though that might help. Today I'm unraveling 6 essential oils that may help prevent and even dissolve blood clots. Think of them as your tiny warriors ready to battle fibrin, the main component of blood clots. First up, frankincense oil, the Beyoncé of essential oils. This queen bee isn't just for incense or spiritual rituals anymore. In recent years, frankincense has taken center stage in the world of natural health. Studies show that it can reduce inflammation, support healthy blood flow, and help break down fibrin, the stuff clots are made of. How does it do this? Well, the secret lies in its active ingredient, boswellic acid. This compound has been shown to inhibit the production of leukotrienes, which play a role in inflammation and can contribute to clot formation. Apply this topical ally with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba, and let nature's magic work its wonders. But remember, when it comes to internal use, the rules are different. Only ingest frankincense if it's labeled as food grade and approved by a professional. Otherwise, it's best to leave it as a topical treatment. Next up, garlic oil, the pizza topping that fights clots. Yes, the stuff that makes your pizza smell amazing might also help keep your arteries clear. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which gives it that pungent odor and flavor. But allicin does more than just make your dishes taste delicious. It also has powerful antithrombotic properties. This means that it can help dissolve clots and prevent new ones from forming. To reap the benefits, add some garlic oil to your salads, dips, or even popcorn. Just be prepared for some interesting looks from your friends. After all, not everyone is brave enough to tackle clot prevention while enjoying their buttered popcorn. Now let's talk about lavender oil, the sleepy time favorite that wakes up your circulation. Lavender is more than just a pleasant smelling flower. It's a powerful ally in the fight against clots. This oil's antioxidants help calm your blood vessels, reducing the risk of clots forming and growing. Plus, it's great for easing anxiety, which can contribute to high blood pressure and clot risk. But be careful, internal use can be tricky. While it's generally safe to use lavender topically or in a diffuser, it should not be ingested unless it's clearly labeled as food grade. So use caution when considering internal use. Alright, moving on, turmeric oil, the golden child of natural remedies. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is a superstar when it comes to clot busting. This compound helps thin the blood and break down existing clots. Whether you prefer to take turmeric in capsule form or add it to your meals, there's one important rule. Always take it with a source of healthy fat like olive oil. This helps your body absorb curcumin better. But remember, not all supplements or oils are created equal. Look for high-quality turmeric and curcumin supplements to ensure you get the most out of your hard-earned dollars. And coming in hot, ginger oil, spicy in the kitchen and spicy in your bloodstream, but in a good way. Gingerol, the active ingredient in ginger, reduces platelet stickiness and inflammation, 2 key factors in clot formation. So whether you're sipping ginger tea or rubbing ginger oil onto your skin, you're taking a proactive step towards better heart health. But be warned, ginger may thin your blood, so it's best to avoid it if you're already on blood-thinning medication. Also, it won't fix your family drama at Thanksgiving. Last but not least, Cypress oil, the dark horse on our list. Cypress oil is known for its ability to improve circulation and support healthy blood vessels. This makes it an excellent choice for maintaining overall cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of clot formation. It's particularly helpful for those suffering from vascular insufficiency, a condition that can increase clot risk. While cypress oil is primarily used topically, there's limited research on its effectiveness and safety for internal use, so it's best to err on the side of caution and stick to topical applications. Before you rush to your oil shelf like a mad scientist, remember, knowledge is power. Only ingest oils that are labeled food grade. Always dilute essential oils before applying them topically. Talk to your doctor if you're on blood thinners. Double thinning isn't a trend you want to start. And there you have it, 6 powerful oils that might just save your life, or at least help your blood behave. If this was helpful, smash that like button, share it with someone who's all about natural health, and hit that subscribe button with the force of 1,000 ginger shots. Oh, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. That way you'll never miss a beat, a pulse, or a heartbeat. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.